Just wondering how you boys are doing. Come by for dinner sometime. Okay? Love you guys. Bye.
Mango Mountain. Ready? Whoa!
Kevin! Dinner!
The time machine worked! I went back to a pioneer village. And there's giant horses pulling a family on a sleigh.
Oh, really?
And there's bells ringing all over the town. We're gonna be famous.
We are, huh? Okay, come on, dinner's ready.
Okay. Simon, I forgot him!
You can get Simon tomorrow. You can eat your dinner now.
But I have to go get him.
You can get him tomorrow. Now sit down.
If Mom here, she'd let me go.
That's enough.
Can I change my plate?
Why?
Because somebody barfed on mine.
Go to bed, young man.
I don't have to go to bed. I don't have to listen to you.